What's good, Muggles fam? And I'm back with another banging banger. Ngibuyile guys with a new banger. So namhlanje ngizokwenza i-weekly forecast with regards to ukuthi imaphi ama-event for leli sonto leli esizoliqala that ekufanele siwabheke and siwa-trade basically. And nje it just gives out isonto nje from Monday to Friday. Last week, which was like Friday esiphuma kuwona besine NFP. So sorry for that, besine NFP. So it did go out. It did ingakho ngipostele ivideo engiyipostile and we made a bet, fanang, So right now, from a Monday, is CHF CPI. CHF CPI, it's a monthly interest rate. CPI core price index. That's what they call it. So I wouldn't bet on it. No USD, nayo nje. It's not something that I would look onto. Then see straight to Wednesday, umhlaka 7, NZD nake. It's a very good currency, but le I wouldn't look on it, I wouldn't look on it. This one, knowing ukuthi vele sometimes fluctuate, sometimes move, sometimes I move. And then FOMC, which is the most anticipated, yabo, iwona nje mfethu esilangazelele kahle kahle ngo-8. So yona-ke most definitely you need to trade that event, guys. And then mase siba ne-GBP interest rates ngolesine mhla 8. Niyenze sure ukuthi you mark this one, mark these two. Definitely something is going to pop out. Lama event lawa awu-2 esengiwabalile, guys, ngicela niwa-check. Then the last one is CAD, Canadian dollar. So leli week sibheka ukuthi we have like at least three events that we can be confident about ukuthi they will make money for us. But so guys, kumele nje wenze sure ukuthi uyaloada nje this week, ulode nje i-account yakho ube ready, and let's make money, chief. Let's make money bafethu. Yeah, this is what we have for this week. So I can't wait for my event. Okay, thank you guys. Subscribe, like, comment down below. Nisho ukuthi nifuna maphi ama-videos that enifisa ukuthi nithole more ulwazi lawo. Danko.